Hi, today in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is really good result for the face unlock. That's why I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.